morning students, welcome back to biology classes. We are discussing about the chapter tissue. Under that we have discussed earlier different types of tissues like epithelial tissue we have discussed. Under that we have seen types of epithelial tissues also we have discussed, and also we have seen connecting tissue also we have discussed. Under connecting tissue also we have seen different types of connecting tissue, that also we have discussed in earlier parts. In this part we are going to discuss another type of tissue is muscles. Understand? We will discuss about the muscles. So muscles are, we have seen that they are the very important structures and which are essential in covering of our body parts. Yes or not? So these covers the skeletal system and which gives the protection to the internal organs along with that skeletal system. Understand? And we can observe these muscles are originated from mesodermal. What is mesodermal? So during embryonic development, the embryo, that is the embryo development stages, the different stages are there. During the different stages of embryonic development, we will find gastrula phase. During gastrula phase, it consisting of three germline membrane that we will discuss in next concept about animal kingdom. This gastrula, it is the stage where it is consisting of three membrane structures: outer membrane, middle membrane, and inner membrane. Understand? Outer external ectoderm, internal endoderm, and middle is mesoderm. Understand? Middle membrane. So from this mesodermal membrane, these muscles are originated. Understand? And if you observe, out of our body weight, this occupies around 40 to 50% in weight. Understand? What is the weight? Is around 40 to 50% weight is of muscles. Understand? And if you observe, these covers the muscles covers the skeletal system and protects the internal organs. That is, we have seen an important function of the muscles. Understand? And if you observe, the muscles also consisting of cells which are fibrous in nature. Understand? So the cells of muscles are called as fibers. Why? Because they are long. They are very long. That is why they are called as fibers. Understand? That is we can see. And if you observe, the muscles based on their location where they are found, that is based on the location of the muscles are classified into three types. Understand? Based on location, the muscles are of how many types? Location based, we have three types of muscles. What are that? Is skeletal muscle. Understand? And next, smooth muscles, and another type is cardiac muscles. These are the three types of muscles we have seen in all the higher organisms based on their location. Based on the location, how many types of muscles are there? Three types. What are that? Skeletal muscle. We can understand skeletal muscle means found on the skeleton of our body. Understand? And smooth muscles. Smooth muscles means they are found in internal organs. So these are also called as visceral muscles. Understand? Smooth muscles also called visceral muscles. And cardiac. Cardiac means what? Cardiac system means heart. The muscles of the heart. Understand? That is the variety of muscles which is found. So we are studying separately about cardiac muscles. Understand? These are the three types of muscles which are found in our body and present in different parts of our body. Now, let us discuss about these all the three different types of muscles which are found in our body. Understand? First, we will discuss about skeletal muscle. Next, we will discuss about smooth muscles and cardiac muscle. These are the three types of muscles. Understand? Now, let us discuss one by one of these three muscles. If you observe the skeletal muscles, these muscles are found in the skeleton of our body. Understand? So, these are found on skeleton. These are found on the skeleton of our body. And smooth muscles, these are found in internal organs. That is visceral organs. These are found in visceral organs. And these cardiac muscles are found in the heart. That is, we have seen the location of the different types of muscles. Now, these skeletal muscles, they are also called as voluntary muscles. These are also called as voluntary muscles, and these are called as involuntary. And it is also called as involuntary. These are the three different types of muscles we have seen. Understand? Skeletal muscle is called as voluntary. What is voluntary muscles? Without instruction of the brain, these muscles, they never function. Understand? They have to take the permission. Permission means what? We have to take decision to work. If you decide to move our hand, or if you want to write on the hand, by using hand on the board, we have to use what word we are writing. That instruction should come from the brain. Understand? That's what. These are called as voluntary muscles because they are under the control of the brain. But involuntary muscles, they are not under the control of the brain. For example, we have taken food. The food is entered into the mouth to the esophagus. If you don't want to swallow the food, is the food will not go inside? It goes. Understand? There is no any thinking about it, whether the food has to pass, whether you have to take in air. Understand? Where they are works without instruction of the brain. They are called as involuntary muscles. Understand? The smooth muscles as well as cardiac muscles, they both were called as what they are called? Involuntary muscles. What they are called? Involuntary muscles. Understand? This is one more thing. And if you observe the skeletal muscles, what is the structural appearance? If you observe, the structure of these muscles, they were cylindrical. What is this kind of arrangement? Is cylindrical in nature. Understand? So, the shape is cylindrical. How is the structure shape? Cylindrical in nature. Whereas here they were spindle in nature. Spindle shape. What is the shape of this muscle? Is spindle shape. The smooth muscle, what is the shape? Is spindle shape. Understand? And cardiac muscles, they were found cylindrical with branches. These are the cylindrical with the branches. Understand? They were the cylindrical and branches. So both are same. Skeletal muscles is cylindrical. Cardiac muscles also cylindrical. But what is the difference is? Branches are found here, but there is no branches. Understand that is the difference. These are also found in cylindrical branch. These are cylindrical and branch. And these are the microscopic structures we are discussing. Understand? If you observe the skeletal muscles under the microscope, we will find two portions are appeared. Two portions we can find. And which appears like a band. Understand? So, if you observe skeletal muscles under the microscope, we will find the structural resemblance like appearance of this is the appear like a dark portion. And the gap in between the two dark portion we can see here, it is light portion. Understand? Dark and light portion. The dark portion or dark band, it is called as a band, also called as thick band. Understand? So this dark portion, what do we call as dark band, and it is also called as a band, and this a band is also it is appearing like thicker, so it is also called as a thick band. Understand? And it's light band. If you observe the light band, it is also called as eye band. It is called as a eye band, and also with this eye band, how it is light in color. Understand? So it is called a light band. So it is appears thinner. It is this is dominating, and this is looking like a thin. So it is called as thin band. So, we got the cylindrical structure of these muscles. If you observe under the microscope, they appears like two zones or two portions. One is dark region and this is light region. The dark part, the dark band is also called as A band, and this colorless is there no, where there is no shaded part, that is called as a light band. And if you observe this dark band, it is also called as A band. Dark band is also called A band, and it is also called a thick band. It is thick in structurally appearance, so it is called a thick band. Next, light band. The light band is also called as eye band, and it is also known as thin band. So what do we find here? They appears like a striation. They forms like a striation or stripes. That's why these skeletal muscles are also called as striated muscles or striped muscles. Understand? These also what we have called as the skeletal muscles also called as striated muscles. Why? Because striation is found. So it is also called as strips. So stripped muscles. Understand? Striped muscles or striation muscles are these named. Understand? But here there is no striation. Here striation is appeared. Striation is found, but here no striation. No bands are found here. Understand? That is the thing. And in case of here, we can find the bands are found here. Thick bands and thin bands are found. Bands we can call as light band, dark band. So striation is found. Understand? That is the difference you have to remember. Only smooth muscles have no striation, but the cardiac muscles also having the striation, and these skeletal muscles also having striation. So these are also called as striated muscles. What they are also called as striated muscles. Understand? Remember. And if you observe, it consisting of nucleus beneath to the plasma membrane. And the nucleus number, if you observe, they consisting of more number of nucleus present. See, 1, 2, 3. In this small part, 3 I have shown. Means it has more in number of nucleus. That is, many nucleus present. Understand? Many nucleus is found here. I write here. Many nucleus is present. In case of spindle muscles, we can find only one type of muscles. Sorry, only one nucleus is present. That is, single nucleus is present. And due to the single nucleus, they are called as uninucleated. Uninucleated means single nucleus is present. Understand? That is the thing. And in case of here, they are also consisting of single nucleus. So these also called as uninucleated. Even though they were branched, even though they were similar to the skeletal muscle, but what is the difference is they were branched, and one more thing is single nucleus is present. That is, they were uninucleated muscles. Understand? That is the difference you can find. And where do we find these different types of muscles? And these skeletal muscles are found in the skeletal system, like limbs, upper limb, lower limb, and trunk part where it covers the skeleton. Understand? And where these skeletal muscles are found is in arms, legs we can find, and smooth muscles are found in visceral organs. Where it is found is visceral organs. And what are these visceral organs? Example is, we can take alimentary canal, that is digestive system. Alimentary canal, that is we can also call as digestive system. Understand? And also we can take excretory system, that is also smooth muscles present. And the cardiac muscle is found in the heart. The heart we can find the presence of cardiac muscles. In this way we can see that three different types of muscles. Skeletal muscles are found in the skeleton, so they are called as skeletal muscles. These are found in visceral organs. So that is, visceral means smooth organs. Understand? So they are called as smooth muscles. They are found in smooth muscles. And these are found in heart. We know that cardiac. Cardiologist, heart special what we can call cardiologist. Remember, cardiologist, cardiac. So cardiac muscle is present. Understand? And these are called voluntary. Why? Because they were controlled by the brain instruction. These are involuntary and these also involuntary. And under the microscope they found bands. Thick band, thin band. Thick band, dark band. Thin band, light band. Dark band is also called A band. And A band is also known as thick band. Understand? Next one, the light band we can call as thin band, and thin band is also called as I band. These are the different types of ones. Many nucleus is present, so they are called multinucleated. Here, single nucleus is present. There is no striation. These are striation. That the bands are found, so they are called striation muscles or striped muscles. Here, such kind of pattern not found, and here the same pattern is found. But uninucleated means single nucleus is present, and what is found is branches are found. And where these present? Skeletal system, skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and heart. These are the different types of muscles which are found in our body. Understand? This is about another important issue is muscles. We will continue with the next concept.